Welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, we're going to make the amazing cheeseburger pizza. Look at that bottom, guys. Huh? Here on Cooking with Frankie and Meatball.
The ultimate meatball.
Cheeseburger pizza. Let me tell you, one of my favorites across the board. First of all, I want to let you guys know, if you're on Instagram, please look up Scratch Made Pizza and Kneading with Franco. You will see it down below. Look them up. They will tell you all about making pizza. But anyway, for the cheeseburger pizza, you'll need some tomatoes. You need some Thousand Island dressing. A friend of mine said, hey, you should make your own dressing. You know, you want to make your own dressing, you can make your own dressing. I just want to keep it simple for you today. So anyway, moving on, you need some lettuce, some fresh basil for the sauce, a can of San Marzano tomatoes, and some pickles, and the starter dish, burgers. I'm from Philly. Again, everything's gotta be Philly with me, huh? So anyway, what I like to share with you, I like getting these kind of pickles for my pizza. You could get the barrel pickle if you want, but I like these. They're a little more crunchier. They taste like a pickle that you would get on a cheeseburger from like a McDonald's, a Burger King, or one of them kind of restaurants. So that's why I like using these. But then again, if you want to use a barrel pickle, use a barrel pickle. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to cut some lettuce up first. And what I did here, I got a half sheet pan. I put some wax paper on it. So every time I get done slicing something, boom, I put it this side, I put it on the pan, okay? So fresh out of lettuce, I took the outside off already. Boom, watch this. The middle comes right out, and you toss it away. So never cut straight from the head. You'll kill the head, okay? Just rip some lettuce off the head. You want to get your lettuce, you want it nice and thin, okay? Like they put on hoagies and cheeseburgers and stuff like that, okay? You want to. Next are the tomatoes. I like using the vine tomatoes. So what we're going to do with the tomato, we're going to cut it in fourths. Cut it in half, then cut the halves in half. Okay? So very important with the tomato, you don't want none of this on the tomato. So cut it out. See that? Boom. Right out. Cut it right out. Put your knife right over there, see it? And then just move it up. Boom. Nice dicing. You want to dice them, right? So boom. All right? Now, boom, 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 boom. Pickles. Now is the pickle time. And you know, I like the little guys. Get maybe 3 of them, right? Maybe just cut more, doesn't matter. So, I'm gonna cut it down here. Cut it down the middle. Now, if you were going to use barrel pickles, what you want to do is cut them in sticks like this, quarters like this, and you're going to cut all the seeds out. These are baby, you don't need to do that. So what we're going to do is just cut them in quarters and just run your knife through them. Once you got them all chopped up, I still like to run my knife through the whole batch of them, just to make them a little extra smoother. You know what I'm saying? It's just me. Get yourself some San Marzano tomatoes. Now these tomatoes could only be grown in Italy, I heard, because it has something to do with the soil they plant them in. So pour it into a bowl or something like this, whatever you want to pour it into. Okay? Grab yourself some basil. All right? Gonna make a quick pizza sauce. We'll throw some of that basil in, right? I'm gonna throw a nice pinch of salt in there. I'm gonna get my handy dandy hand mixer, put it on low, and I am going to push it down. And mix it all together. A basic, quick, good, very good pizza sauce. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna go cook my burgers and I'll be right back. But when you're cooking your burgers, please guys, even if you like your burgers well done, when you're cooking them on the stovetop, don't make them well done, because remember, you're gonna be putting them on the pizza and then sliding them in the oven. So kind of make them more like a medium to medium well, all right? I'll see you back here when the cheeseburgers are ready. Your cheeseburgers are done. You set them to the side for a minute or two, let them sit. Then you just want to cube them up. That's it. Nothing crazy, but cube them up. That's what I'm saying. It's time to roll out your pizza. Throw some flour on your workstation, right? If you made pizza balls, see what's great about this, guys, is your supermarket sells dough balls, and you know you can get them. They're frozen. You leave them out. You let them defrost and come to room temperature, and they roll out perfect. For those of you who want to make your own dough, I have 2 videos on how to make your dough. I will post it at the end of this video. Anyway, we're going to get some flour on our dough knife. And we're gonna grab a bowl. Look at these. I made my dough. I let it rise. Before I put it into dough balls, I let it rise for an hour. Then, after the hour, I knead a little bit, chop it up, make balls, and put it into this box. You could put it in the separate little bowls, whatever you want to do. Alright, so what I got here is a 10-inch pizza screen, okay? So my batch of dough makes 5 16s or 6 10s. So I made 6 10s today. So anyway, the cheeseburger pizza is the only pizza you need to worry about. You get your nice fresh crushed peeled tomatoes, right? Now you got the sauce. You don't want to put too much sauce, okay? But enough. Nice handful of cheese. Hopefully, guys, if you have a stone, my oven goes to 550. I preheat the stone for an hour on 550. Okay? So be sure if you have a stone, please preheat your stone for an hour. So, because when the pizza hits that stone, boom, that crust form, I forget about it. You guys know. And for those who don't have a stone and you love making pizza, let me tell you, it's only what, $20 or something to go get a stone or something like that. Go get yourself a stone. You're gonna love it. But anyway, put some cheese on that. Okay. You don't put the cheeseburger on right now, because if you do, it's gonna cook with the pizza. It's gonna dry out. And it's gonna be that heck. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to pre-cook the pizza a little bit, right? Let the cheese start to melt and everything. Then we're going to take it out, and then we're going to throw the cheeseburger in, okay? Your pizza's half cooked. I'm going to throw the cheeseburger right on top. Spread it out really nice. You know, you want a lot of cheeseburger, you want it smaller. You know what I mean? You could break it apart with your fingers, see? You know, feel it, guys. Okay, I'm going to throw it on top. I'm going to throw this back in. And when I throw it in, I'm going to take it off the screen and let it finish cooking on the stone. Boom. Eh? Look at that, guys. Look at the bottom. Perfect. Perfect bottom. See? Very nice. The reason why I got it on a cooling rack is this. When you put it down on a pan, that heat hits the pan and it has nowhere to go. So this way we'll keep the bottom nice and crispy. Alright, grab your lettuce. Put some lettuce on. Nobody hate me for this. I'm telling you, this is amazing. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm telling you, way better than a Big Mac at McDonald's. Okay, look at that. You got your lettuce. Boom, right? Got your tomatoes, put some tomatoes there. Look at that marrone. Oh, the tomatoes. I'm going to put a couple more tomatoes on there. I'm going to put a couple more tomatoes over there. Some over there, some over there. And then some pickles. You can get a little creative. You could put onions on it. You could put hot peppers on it. But I'm telling you, it's going to change the taste of the Big Mac. This is pretty much, it's going to taste like your Big Mac. Shake your sauce once more again. And now just drizzle it on top. You saw some come out. Look at that. Just drizzle it on top. Look at that. Oh, guys, come on. Forget about it, guys. Look at that. Cheeseburger pizza, guys. Let me tell you guys, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you get notified every time I put out a new video. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook. Guys, don't forget to reach out to my pizza friends. Guys, again, follow them on Instagram. PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the Forefathers to the big Mothers of Rock. Thursday nights, live with Kevin and Johnny E! At 7 Eastern Standard Time to 9. They play everything that you want. What I love about them, they support the local scene. Again, guys, I don't got many Meatball here, but I'm going to tell you what. Until next time.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
You're about to get cooking.
With Frankie Meatball.
Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.